Hey there, bankroll management is the most important skill in betting. Without it, you lose fast. Before we continue, make sure to create your official 1xBet account using our exclusive promo code BUTV to receive an incredible 300% bonus on your first deposit. Here's how it works. Click to registration, choose one of the four available methods, for example by email, fill in with all your personal details, and here in the promo code section, click BUTV. Then click to register and make your first deposit, for example $100, and instantly receive a 300% bonus. That's an extra $300, making your total balance $400 to start betting with. Don't miss this opportunity to boost your game with one of the most trusted betting platforms in the world. Now let's back to the video. Here's how pro do it. Set a budget, money you can afford to lose. Bet small percentage of your bankroll, usually between 1 and 5%. Never chase losses by doubling bets, and track your results to learn what works. This way, even if you hit a losing streak, you'll still have money to keep playing. Discipline with bankroll management is what separates pro from amateurs. And if you enjoyed this video and you want to see similar content, put like, subscribe, and see you soon.